Hi there, welcome to our channel CTech. In this video, we will talk about how to use Splitwise to share expenses. So for this, let's move to our mobile screen. First of all, install the Splitwise app. Once the app is installed, click on it to open. Sign up into your account, and now here we have this option of add expense. Click on it, and here you need to choose a person with whom you want to add expense. So I will randomly add it, just my name here. Okay, so now you can enter a description. So I will simply add a trip expense here. Okay, then you can add an amount. So I will add 100. Then we have two options in which you can split. So first of all, we have you who paid it. So now we have four options like you paid split equally. Then we have you are owed the full amount. Then we have paid and split equally. And then we have the last one, which is another person is owed and you want to split. Okay, so now I choose paid by you and you want to split it. Click on OK. So now the amount is split. So now you both have to pay equally $50. In this way, you can use Splitwise to manage your expenses. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.